안녕하세요, Chainaman, D Shandavnida. What's going on, everyone? It's your girl D here, back again with another unboxing for you. And today is a special day because I am unboxing my PupBox for August 2018. I will leave all the information down below about PupBox, all right? Let me go ahead and get started. Now, first of all, Romeo is my dog, as you all know, and he is like very excited. You can see his little head right here. He's sniffing at this box because he knows that this is for him, all right? So, let me show you him and tell you about him a little bit. Romeo here, I don't know when this video is going up, but Romeo turned 5 years old on August the 13th. I had him since he was about 2 months old, all right? So I've had him for a while now, and it's his birthday. So I'm excited, all right? And so is he. So this box feels kind of heavy. So let me see what is going on in it. I hope there's something for his birthday in here. I cannot remember how much I paid for PupBox. I think I paid $24 a month. But I think so, or no, I pay yearly for this. I pay yearly for PupBox. But you can pay for it either every month, every 6 months, every 3 months, or every year. And of course, the more months you pay ahead, the cheaper it is. So for me, it comes out about $24. And PupBox is really cool. And the reason why I like it is because you fill out a profile for your dog's age, if your dog is allergic to anything, if your dog sheds or has, has fur that doesn't shed, you can fill out that profile and they will send you things that are appropriate for your dog and also age appropriate for your dog as well because they want to know the dog's age. So it doesn't matter if your dog is a puppy or it doesn't matter if your dog is an adult dog. Doesn't matter. They will put things in a box that are appropriate, for your dog. And they do ask your dog's birthday. So, like I said, this box feels kind of heavy. And I'm wondering if there's something in here. Maybe a cake of some sort. Let's open her up. All right. So, it says, with you every step of the way, right there. I'm not sure if PupBox will, I think they do cater to your dog, to the size of your dog, too. So, if your dog is big or small, it doesn't matter. I'm just ripping off the seal. Let's see what we got in here. Uh-oh, we have here, this says stay cool, pups. So this here is all about staying cool and your dog staying cool in the hot, hot heat. And here is a recipe for some peanut butter Pup Pops on the back of that card. So that's awesome that we have that. And then they always come with a card here. And up here is a description of my dog. Everything that I told them about Romeo. And this right here are all the things that are in here. I'll be referring to this. There are no prices on here. Alright. So let's get started. Alright. Oh boy. First things first. What is this right here? Oh. This is Dog for Dog. This is with every purchase we give to dogs in need. This is dog's butter. I've heard of this before. This is nice. It supports immunity and digestion. So it's peanut butter for dogs. And it looks like that there. And I got a nice, it's a 10-ounce jar. This is awesome. My dog loves peanut butter. And, it says you buy, we donate, they eat. This is really nice. And there's no salt, no sugar, no corn or wheat. It's gluten-free. It's natural. It's made in the USA. Peanut butter, y'all. Dog, I'm telling you, what you do is this. I have a little Kong toy, I put some peanut butter on the end of the Kong. And then I'm just lick that. Awesome. So, thanks for the peanut butter PupBox. I love it. Speaking of a Kong, I got a Kong. Look at that. That is a Kong, my friends, right here. And this one squeaks, okay? And this is a Kong squeeze dumbbell, and it's small. So it says, this is the other side, by the way. And it says it squeaks. Does it? Oh, oh. Oh, my God. It squeaks. Wait a second. I'm gonna cut this and give it to him because he's gonna scream at me if I don't. All right, so see this? He's gone. Next up. Next thing I have, go get it. Go get it. This right here is from Bark and Harvest. This is Sliders, tender protein-rich patties for dogs. Made in the USA, pork recipe with apple. That's what that looks like there. And you get a nice big, they look like hamburger patties actually. There's the other side. Let's open this up. Go get it. Go get it. He's like, nope, I want a treat now. Go get it. Go get it. He's like, nope, want the treat now. He's probably hungry too. See, it looks like a, he's trying to eat it. It looks like a hamburger patty. See that? So I just break off a little piece of this. He might eat it. He might not. Let's see if he does. He's like, what the heck is that? I don't know. He ate it though. Let's see. Let me give him another little tiny piece and see what he does. Yes, that's good. He's like, give me some more of that. Later. Next thing we have in here is this right here. Oh, what is this? Oh, this is from Swag Bag. Is that right? It's a doggy ice cube tray. It has paws. Let me turn it this way. It has paws on there. Can you see that? Paws and bones and paws. So this is a doggy ice tray. That is so cute. And it's perfect because it's been so hot this summer. You know, you just fill this with water, make some ice cubes, and let your dog, you know, have a treat. That's awesome. I'm happy to have that. And then the last thing that I have, maybe the last thing, let me see. This looks like a waffle. What is this? From Zippy Paws. This is a Burrow interactive dog toy. Ah, okay. This is what it looks like right here. Look at that. It looks like a waffle. That looks like the butter for the waffle. This is the tag there. And here is the other side there, what that looks like. That's cute. And it's got some toys in here. See, it's got a hole. There's a hole in here and a hole in here. And there's some toys in here. Oh, they're squeaky. Oh, they're on the thing. There's some strawberries. There's one. There's two. And then there's three. So there are 3 strawberries I could cut out, and you put them inside of here and let the dog try to burrow his nose in there to get them out. So that's cute. Let me see, is there anything else? All right, that's everything in my PupBox for August 2018. Let's recap. It's over there on the ground right now. Let me grab it right quick. Sorry about that, y'all, but I got the Kong Squeezy. Got that. I have this right here, which is the ice tray. My dog is so excited. I've got the ice tray. I'm going to put that back in there. I got the peanut butter, which I'm really happy about because it's made specifically for dogs. And I also got the Bark and Harvest sliders, which I'm happy about also. And I got this. Wait, I need to cut this off, but I'll cut this off in a second. I've got the waffle with the strawberries in there. I won't from Zippy Paws. I won't squeak this to make it more excited, but that's what that looks like. That's everything, my friends, in my PupBox for August 2018. You get PupBox, let me know what you got because you may have gotten something different because depending on the size of your dog, I know, right? Thank you guys for watching this video. If you have not subscribed to this channel, go ahead and do that. I'm close to 1,000 subscribers, and when I get there, there will be a giveaway. All right, my friends. Thanks for watching. I will talk to you next time. Bye-bye. Romeo, say goodbye. Can you say goodbye? Bye.
넌 나고 난 나